guys, so I lost my CDL like a couple days ago. I think I forgot it at a shipper in Ohio. Yeah, so when I get to Georgia, at the receiver, they asked me for my driver's license, and that's when I realized that I forgot my driver's license. So yeah, they eventually took the load, but I'm from Florida, so that's a good thing that I was so close to my home state. But if anyone ever lost their driver license, they can call the capital for that state, DNV, and they will send you like a printout or like a copy, I guess, to your email. You don't have to go to your county to get the replacement, but you do gotta go to a DMV that is close by, but it has to be in your home state. But you gotta call first to verify that they take walk-ins. As you know that not all DMV take walk-in, they do appointment, and appointments it takes like forever. So you call before you go and you're explaining your situation, and they'll let you know. Yeah, it took me like probably an hour before I get mine. It's not bad, but as I said, you have to call to verify that they actually can assist you, basically. Yeah, so it's not bad, but I was worried, to be honest. Yeah, it's not bad, but it's okay so far. Yeah, so I got a renewal, and I'm not sure if it's only in the state of Florida, but they change your driver's license number, or they change the way or the numbers around or something like that. So I'm not sure if it's only the state of Florida, but you gotta just make sure you call first to verify, like, it's not only appointment, and just call around. But yeah, so I'll see you in the next video.